Oh, just got our first coin, I think. It's either a coin or a button. I think it's a coin. I don't know what to say really. I picked up a little permission. It's only a couple of acres, I think, maximum. It covers over 2 fields. They're not very big fields. They are on a slope. And it's in quite a rich area, so to speak. There's no guarantee I'm going to find anything because there has been a group already dug on here. They found cannonballs and stuff like that. I'm out with a trusty Manticore, but I'm only on the 9-inch coil. Grass is a little bit long, so I may have to change over to the 15 or possibly just the 11 a bit later on. I'll see how I go. I'm just going to give this little bit of a hilly one a going over, and before I go over to the little bit more flatter field, I may have to change coil. We'll see. Enjoy and see you at the first hole. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy and see you at the end. Let's see what we find, if we find anything at all. Right, I did start off on the 9-inch coil, but to be fair, I wasn't actually getting any signals at all in this. It's quite lumpy, so I've gone over to the 11-inch coil. It is jumping around a little bit. Between 56 and 60. It's a 54, 56 that way though. So let's just see. It could be a bit of rubbish. I apologise for the traffic. I am quite close to a roadway now. I'm coming to a different section of the field. Oh, I see it. Nothing important. It's a razor. It's a razor. Oh, there you go. It's actually in the hole. I thought it was out already. It's a glass there. Is it a bit of lead from glass? That's definitely lead. Right. That's for the pot. Unless the owner wants it. Oh, we just got our first coin, I think. It's either a coin or a button. I think it's a coin. Yeah, 79. That was coming up a 79 to 83. That looks like a George the Third. Big penny. It's definitely facing that way. Look at that. That's a stonker. Absolute stonker. Yeah, double rimmed. And there you go. First coin. That looks like I just got myself a weight now. Yeah, little weight. There you go. One weight. Microphone's just kicked in. What is that? It was a 53, 54. I can't work out what that is. I think it was a button. So I can get some of this gunk off. Yeah, I think that was a button. Going by that there. Yeah, I'm going to go with button, I think. Be on the safe side. Yeah, I'm going to go with button. And I had a signal for a while. 47, 49, occasionally goes to 50, 51. Depending on which angle I go at. Could be a bit of foil, but it is a perfect circle on the line. Unlike some of the others. Possibly still in. Possibly deeper. So a little bit more of a dig out. And we've got a green edge. We've got a green edge. Go a bit wide. Try and pull that out. What we got? What have we got? A Vicky bunny? A Vicky bunhead. What's that going to be? 1876. And there you go. 1876. Queen Victoria. Bunhead. Halfpenny. Chuffed to bits. We've just got a bit of a tilly lamp by the looks of it. There's the old wheel for bringing the wick up, I think, if I remember rightly, with these. But yeah, we've got a little part of a tilly lamp. They come up as a 51, 52. There you go. Well, I thought it was a button to start with, because it came out like that. Turned it over, it looks like it's possibly an ear tag. Looks like it says GEM 37. So yeah, it looks like I've got an ear tag. Whatever it is there. Looks like just a bit of tin or something. Where is it? No. A buckle. very square. Yeah, I think I've got a buckle of some sort. It's flat there, possibly where something went across. But yeah, one buckle. Now we've just got a hinge. A hinge that still opens and shuts. I do believe there might be still something else in there. So yeah, got a hinge. I think there's something else in there. No, it might have just been that then. It was bouncing off of. No, that's fine. So yeah, one hinge. I don't know how old that is. Coin. Probably not, no minor. No, a bolt. It's a bolt. Well, there you go. All coins and glory, is it? Never is. But there you go. One bolt. Yep. Don't know what that was. Yeah, bit of tin. Well, it's definitely not metal detecting, is it? Unless you get a bloody ring pull. Never mind. Well, just got an earring. So, that's extremely clean on there. So have we hit silver? Albeit an earring. I don't know. I will give that a clean up, and I will let you know. I think it is silver, but we'll see. But there you go, one earring. It was a one-day permission. I've enjoyed it. I've got a couple of coins, so I didn't blank. I got a George the III penny, not the cartwheel penny, but the other penny. I got a Queen Victoria halfpenny. I got a medieval lead weight, a button, which I thought was a large hammer to start with, and a few other bits. So yeah, it's ended up to be not too bad. I believe I've got a brass buckle and a brass hinge of some sort. I've never seen one that shape before, and it also opens and closes as well, so quite happy with that. I apologise for the aircraft going over, but yeah, enjoyed it. As I say, it is only a one-dayer. I suppose if I could stay here longer, then I would go on the fields again, just use a different coil maybe. I did start off with the 9-inch, went to the 11-inch, but went back to the 9-inch again. That 9-inch seems to just penetrate anyway. So yeah, chuffed to bits. Hope you got this far. If you did and you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. I have noticed that there's quite a lot of people that watch my videos that aren't actually subscribed to me. So yeah, if you do like, please subscribe. Don't forget LP. The offer code is in the links below, but you just have to use OPS10 to get 10% off most items at checkout. Again, thank you very much for getting this far, and see you on the next. Not too sure when that's going to be though. Enjoy. Thank you. Bye.